Ugh, what is that? I don't know what that is. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another laser level, you guys. We have been going laser level crazy. The laser level is perfect for you, especially if you are, of course, hanging mirrors and stuff like that. But if you are a DIYer and you want to put up some recessed lights and stuff like that, or you want to do your flooring, like some major projects like that, and if you're a DIYer, something like this will be perfect for you. Yes, I did review other 4D type style of laser levels. This one is budget friendly. Let's go ahead and get into this, and you get a nice case with it, and it is packaged very well, and you have all of your essentials right here. You have your user's manual, so this is something you will definitely need, but we will go over the basics. I will show you what you will need your laser level for, how can you use it, and stuff like that, especially just for basic stuff. All right. I'm really not a contractor or a 24-hour construction worker. Someone like that can tell you the ins and outs of the laser level. All right. You know, the scientific stuff. I can basically do, you know, the C grade stuff, you know, it's the C class student stuff. I think it's 2 verticals and then 1 horizontal, but we will get in that. I believe this is battery powered. You have all your accessories right here. USB type C to USB. Of course, they give you your mount, magnets right there, right on the mount. If you need to make your adjustments to move your tripod around 360 degrees, here you go. Press this button in, go forward, go backwards, but you have to push this silver piece in just like that. All right, now you have your bottom down here, in which you can loosen it, and when you loosen this, you basically have the ability to tilt it. When you tighten it, it comes back down. You see that? And it's going all the way down in an angle. Right here, we're gonna put it back up. We're gonna put it up straight as possible. All right, here we go. You have the battery. Oh, and is that grease? I hope that's grease. Ugh, what is that? I don't know what that is. But I touched it. I think it's grease, you guys. So we have grease on our battery, and I'll make sure I wash my hands after this. We're gonna put the battery in. There you go. Gives you your caution, your warnings for your battery. All right, let's go ahead. No, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it flat. Now, let's go ahead and hit the button on this. All right, as soon as you turn it on, it activates. It gives you your horizontal line. As you can see behind me, you have the horizontal line. Now, this horizontal line is coming from the bottom. We're gonna hit horizontal again, and your second horizontal line came up. So the one from the bottom is gone. The one on the top is activated. Let's hit horizontal again. You hit horizontal again, you get 2 horizontal line. So hit horizontal again and everything turns off. We're gonna hit vertical. We have 1 vertical right now so far. Oh, sorry, and I know the camera is on y'all. Okay, so we have 1 vertical right here. We're gonna hit vertical again. So we have the other vertical, which is going horizontal from us. So it's not horizontal as far as flat wise, but it's going horizontal this way. So the other vertical is the other way. All right. And most of this stuff is the same type of style, you guys. It's no difference. Oh, and they give you some cool safety glasses too. So this is nice. All right, hit vertical again and everything turns off. So let's go back to our horizontal. Okay, do we have it? All right, we have it unlocked. So let's see what happens. All right, so when we're not leveled, you see what happens when you're not leveled. But when you're leveled and flat, it stays solid. Once again, if you're not leveled, there you go, level. And the way you do that is you got to hit unlock right here. So you have unlock and then you have lock. All right, so when I usually do this, I usually leave it in this mode right here, so I know that everything is straight. Let me hit the power button. All right, so you can dim the brightness if you want to. And that is as simple as it gets. All right, you guys, so you can actually use this piece right here and put it on your tripod, and they have like an actual leveling part on here. So if you put it on your tripod, you can actually level out the whole tripod part. So that's pretty cool, because this is probably one of the most important things to have when you have your leveler on a tripod, just in case if it's tilted up, tilted down, you know, if you want something precise, then this is good. And then you will put this right here on top. But just note that this comes with the big one of those it's like one of these bigger screws. Check your battery level, in which we only have 2 bars. You hit the power button right here and it shows you your battery level. And if you need to charge it, it's simple. You have a slot. Oh, let me turn this off. Okay, so you see where it says power? Right there, it says power. All you do is flip that open, and there goes your USB Type-C port right there. This is magnetic, so it do come with a plate. So there you go. If you are on the site, you screw this up to your 2x4 or your drywall. Well, you know, your stud or whatever. You screw it up to your stud, and then go ahead so you can get your level that you need. Lastly, you have the remote. So we're going to check. The remote does have a little tiny battery. So let's see if this bad boy works. Let's go ahead and turn this on first. All right, we turned it on, and we're going to hit horizontal, and it says horizontal plus. So if you hit it again, it will add another horizontal. Hit it again, off. So if you're on the site and you don't feel like, you know, running all the way down to you know, hit the button, then you have it all right here. That's vertical, and then you got vertical again, and then vertical is off. All right, then you have here your lightning and your I believe the sun. So basically, I believe this is the brightness. And when you put the brightness down, it don't go down that much. So I can honestly say that this laser is very bright, and that's a good thing. All right, you guys, so that is it. Budget friendly. Get yourself one of these, you guys. If you are doing any DIY in the house, especially putting up tile, flooring, recessed lights, you know, laser level is perfect. Unless you want to get the old school level and, you know, do it that way, you can use the old school level, but laser level is the way to go. So budget friendly, go ahead, take a trip to Amazon, link in the description, and try this out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.